Last week, we talked about creating tables and inserting values using Claude. Today, let's look at how to approach SQL problem solving, whether for interviews or for everyday data analysis. Hi, it's Amber here. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences and learn together with you, as we dive into creating analysis projects from scratch. So, once I understand the question or know what direction I want to analyze, I usually go through 4 steps. First, check the keywords in the problem and identify what analysis points are required. Second, walk through the logic and think about how SQL should calculate each keyword. Third, identify the queries or functions that will be needed. Finally, decide the final output columns, what fields should be displayed to present the insights clearly. For today's example, here's the analysis question. Calculate each store's weekly absence rate for the past 12 weeks and measure the week-over-week change. The keywords I identified are weekly absence, absence rate, past 12 weeks, and week-over-week. When choosing keywords, I usually pick the parts that can be quantified. Next step, the logic walkthrough. I define the week key, week start, calculate the absence rate, limit the data to the past 12 weeks, and compute the week-over-week comparison. Then we look at queries. Based on the logic, we can foresee which functions will be used, such as date format, date sub, etc. If you're not able to think of these queries right away, don't worry. The more cases you work on, the more you'll realize that most analytical SQL problems reuse similar patterns. Finally, show columns. I can already imagine which fields would present the analysis clearly, such as store ID, etc. So for every case and every SQL analysis, I'll always go through these 4 steps. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the queries used in each query. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.